Tech Tip Tuesday, everyone. Today we are going to talk about canned responses. This is particularly handy if you find yourself typing the same message over and over again. You might consider using a canned response, which allows you to insert a pre-formatted content into an email. I'm going to teach you how to do it. So you'll go to Compose Message, and you will type out what you want to say. So if it's a weekly agenda, or if you are doing a weekly check-in, or if you send kind of a standard thank you for reaching out email, as I am going to do, you want to make it pretty vague because you can send it to different people, but it'll just have the same content over and over again. So here's my message, and then you're going to go down to this little arrow that says more options and click canned response, and you're going to say new canned response, and it will be, you can title it whatever you want, but mine's going to be thanks for reaching out. Okay, and so we can close that out, and as you can see, we'll go to a new message, go back to canned responses, and insert, and thanks for reaching out. There you have it. You just saved yourself some time. If you have any questions, you can email me at kristenf@selfenhancement.org. Thanks a lot for watching.